Remove residual water and prevent splashes when removing an old toilet by extracting all liquid first and controlling every movement during liftoff. Start by turning off the water supply and flushing until the bowl is as empty as possible. Then use a wet vacuum to extract remaining water from both the bowl and the trap. Run the vacuum nozzle into the trap and hold for several seconds to ensure you pull out deep standing water. Place 2 heavy plastic bags or a contractor trash bag under the base to catch drips and fold excess bag around the bolts, so water runs into the bag, not onto the floor. Keep 2 5-gallon buckets and several absorbent towels within arm reach, so you can immediately capture any released water or rinse. Position 1 bucket to receive any residual water and 1 empty for rinsing and wringing towels. Use a medium to large sponge or mop to wipe any droplets from the bowl rim and the floor around the flange before final movement. When loosening the mounting bolts, rock the toilet gently forward and back to break the wax seal. Then pivot it slowly toward you while supporting the bowl at the base to control momentum and avoid sudden sloshes. Lift straight up only when the base is free and have a helper steady the toilet while you guide it to the plastic bag or bucket to contain remaining water, then set it down on disposable material for transport. Common problems include unexpected residual water in the trap that spills during liftoff, which you prevent by using the wet vacuum thoroughly and by tilting the bowl forward slowly so remaining water runs into a prepared container. A second issue is water running down your legs or onto the floor because the toilet was lifted too quickly. So brace the base, lift in a controlled motion with a helper, and keep towels wrapped around the base to catch drips. A third concern is damaging the subfloor from slow leaks after removal. So immediately inspect the flange area, mop up any pooled water, and leave ventilation or a fan running while the area dries fully before installing a new fixture. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and contact options in their area. We also host a discussion community where users trade advice, ask questions about procedures like toilet removal, and share contractor experiences.